Ready to skyrocket your business growth with Aisensy ads? First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the advertising section, often labeled campaigns or something similar. This is your ad command center. Click on the Create Campaign button, typically found at the top right or center of the screen. This is where the magic begins. Now, give your campaign a descriptive name, choose your primary objective, like driving website traffic or generating leads, and set your budget. Decide how much you are willing to invest. Next comes the fun part, targeting. Define your ideal customer by specifying their demographics, interests, behaviors, and even location. The more specific, the better. It's time to craft your ad. Choose your ad format, write compelling copy that grabs attention, and add eye-catching visuals that showcase your product or service. Preview your ad across different platforms to ensure it looks great on every device. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize its appearance. Review all your campaign settings one last time and hit Launch Campaign. It's time to unleash your ads. Track your ad performance regularly. Monitor metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. Use this data to make adjustments and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact.